What are conditions like in your home here?
Oh, they're dreadful. I mean, the roof and all inside is falling down, man. I mean, last week now, went in there, there's a ceiling now next door is coming down, see? Well, it's not safe for the children to play in there. And you can't stop the children playing in there, see? You've got to be after them every 5 minutes of the day. Well, I mean, it's no good. It's a wonder to me that they haven't got killed anyway.
Most of the people who used to live here have moved away. Why haven't you been able to do so?
Well, I mean, I put my name on the list up in the council, see? But I mean, you've got to wait your turn, see? Well, I mean, those that have gone from here have had national cobbled out, you see? They're working in a colliery. Well, I mean, I can't work in a colliery now, see? Owing to accident I had years ago, like, see?
We haven't got no toilet, no drain, no electric light, no gas, nothing.
How do you manage about cooking?
We do it on the fire, open fire.
How long have you been living in this village?
4 years. That was without the time we lived on the bottom. About 8 to 10 years we've been living here.
What are conditions like in your house?
Well, terribly damp, wet and everything. It's not safe to walk in the bedrooms, all falling down.
How many children have you got?
5.
And how many are living with you now?
1.
Where are the others?
In Cardiff. In a family home in Cardiff. We have to have them out now soon to have a house, I won't have them before.
Now, most people in this village have moved away. Why haven't you been able to find a new house?
Well, you've got to wait for the council and NCB first.
How do you manage about cooking?
Oh, that's awkward, that is. It's all boiling. And the ovens won't work and nothing yet.